Hello guys, this is Lana Urvansova. For those people who don't know me, I'm a partner with a German company called World Style Media. Most of people know this company for its brand iButler. Today I want to share some information with you what to expect this year from our company. I was so happy and excited when I was listening to news. So let's start. First of all, iButler is going to have its own CPA networks. For those people who don't know what it means, I'm going to explain. CPA network is when you go to different websites and you purchase a product, so network is usually pays you some certain amount of money. And one of those network is www.affiliateseeking.com. The second news is our company updated a marketing tool. It's coming this February. The third one is iButler made a contract with Booking.com. So now all the time, if you book your room at Booking.com, you get commissions for that. It doesn't matter what country you are, you will get your commissions anyway. The fourth one is iButler offers a free advertisement for all internet companies who offer their product and services. This is going to be a boom here. Just imagine how much money all companies pay monthly for advertising their products and services on Google, and iButler is going to do it for free. Our new motto is no risk, only profit. Now, imagine the situation if you are searching for any product on the internet. Let's say if it's going to be a TV. You found a nice TV, but the price is so expensive. So what iButler does for you is finding the best deals in the lowest rates on credit loans. And if you're a partner with our company, you get commissions for that as well. It's just awesome. I'm so excited to see how it's going to work. One more news is we are going to have a desktop version this February. It's going to be more convenient for online users. And now, one of the most exciting news is the company finally made a mobile application. So it will be available this month on Google Store and next month in Apple stores. Now let me explain how it works. Just imagine a situation when you go into the store to buy a nice sweater. When you come to the store, you can just scan a sweater's barcode with the iButler app, and it's going to find you the best deals on the internet with the same product. Isn't it great? I think it's really nice. And one more thing is our application is absolutely free, and you can share it with all your friends with just one click. And now, listen carefully. The company is promoting an amazing trip to Maldives and Dominican Republic for all our partners. If they close 300 cycles during the period of January 1st to June 30th, all expenses are paid by the company. I think it's such a great idea and nice promotion. And one more thing is iButler starts working in United States. Guys, don't miss your chance to register and get this great opportunity. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and if you like it, you can subscribe my channel. And if you want to know more information about iButler, please contact me. You can see all my contact information below this video. And thank you again and have a great day. Bye!